Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2018 SX stream. This is question number 84 of part 2 from the topic trigonometric equation. Question says the number of solutions x of equation sin x plus x square minus sin x square equal to sin x in the closed interval 2 comma 3 is, and options are 0, 1, 2 or 3. Now to solve this question, we can use that sin c minus sin d formula on the left hand side, which gives us 2 cos c plus d by 2, which means it will be cos of x by 2 plus x square into sin c minus d by 2, which means sin of x by 2. And on the right hand side, we can write sin x as 2 sin x by 2 into cos of x by 2. We can take 2 sin x by 2 common, and then it becomes cos of x by 2 plus x square minus cos of x by 2 equal to 0. So here for this square bracket, we can use cos c minus cos d formula, which will give us minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, which means sin x plus x square upon 2 into sin of c minus d by 2, so x square upon 2, and this complete thing equal to 0. So either this sin x by 2 will be equal to 0, which means x by 2 will be equal to n pi, and hence x will be equal to 2n pi, or we will have sin of x square upon 2 equal to 0, then x square upon 2 will be equal to n pi. So this x square will be equal to 2n pi. Or the third option is that sin of x plus x square upon 2 to be equal to 0. So this x plus x square upon 2 will be equal to n pi, and hence this x plus x square will be equal to 2n pi. Okay. Now, because my x is from 0, x is from closed interval 2 comma 3, x belongs to closed interval 2 comma 3. In this we can see there is no value like 2n pi, because 2n pi will be either 0 and next will be 2 pi, which is 6.28. So there is no value of the form 2n pi. Okay, so there will be 0 number of solutions here. Now this x square will be from 4 comma 9 close bracket, and in this case one value of this 2n pi, that will be 2 pi only, because 2 pi is 6.28 and next value, that is 4 pi, will be bigger than 9. So there will be only one solution here for this. Similarly, x plus x square will be from 6 comma 12, and once again one value here also, that is 2 pi, because 4 pi will be greater than 12, so only one solution here also. And also one thing, let me tell you, that when x square will be 2 pi, x will be root 2 pi. Let me write it here. X square is equal to 2 pi, then x will be under root of 2 pi, and when x plus x square is equal to 2 pi, this will come from the value of x that is different from root 2 pi. So actually what I am trying to tell you, that these two solutions will be different if we find the corresponding value of x. So the number of solutions of x for this solution, for this equation, has to be 2. So answer of this question should be C. This completes the solution of this question. Thank you so much. Bye.